Bekon say one day I was a pair and come where a more they say a bread. You do so no. Your interviews I would be and also and hear ye pa. So much for my ready and if you say a bus of body no a basso, me or Dennis or say wusu ewaha public affairs head and my National Teaching Council ewaha and what chairman Safon so GES. Can simple head of secretariat me title me mamu ina kwaba say bibia boko de yeah that say papa my member yeah National Teaching Council secretariat public health or my brief about best teacher awards basui
yo with the medwas ne akwanya mo de amaya no pay na biu machia teacher for our mo hwe say ne udi kankaye no afie bia no 5th October ye see ho say World Teachers Day I we asafa na nyina no ye di bu kompon hwe ye chi ehwe teacher for adwuma omo ye na ye appreciate hom enu nti se ne afie bia ye no afie nso e basa na Ghana ye de no ya ye no different kakra ye de abasobode ehyimu na abasobode no ehun sunsanso no ye fa se ne the history no started for 1994 mra 1993 na your teacher for ni bebre fi omanyimu eko omo kopebe bia atana naja omaye no emomani hu se no ehun be nya se be appreciate your teacher for no enu ti ye the award scheme be si wa na efe no best teacher awards eno na ya rebranding no from 2018
okay
yes so di no eye no Ghana Teacher Prize it no abasobode bia ye de abesi ho a ye de boa ma yenuanom a omo ye adwuma ni yi adwuma bia no obi a yere ne ho nanso ye obi no omo ye exceptional teachers etino ya to me say most outstanding teachers tisafwe no ana ye bie nomination na woju hudi a emre bia twam no nanka ye hwe district no mesu we bo no modi ubewie ni akokase wo on deserve ni se tafie de efiti 2018 de banyina na ye say wow ji hudi
2008 and
18 aye no Ghana Teacher Prize no uji hudi say wan kasa wadwuma so ni se teacher ni a your criteria apply who apply we do go through the process no ye men go for backgrounds be check say ni mani nyina na wo deserve a na ye de
amount amemra na ochiame ho now nti apart from criteria what my dey nti when I qualify even though criteria no obe follow when I qualify before obe follow sa process no
so first and foremost I was in nipa no me da se bebre I was in nipa no ye obi a go through licensure exam I am an accreditation by National Teaching Council and it cuts across obi a we your church for obi a from say what classroom and I say what kitchen and I say what abonti a we adwuma once I qualify no we okay number 2 was say we obi a community na wom no ebetimi aka say o teacher anyway and I say papa mama we all pantry matron yo ya de nti yakobo ni din say omra no mbeje award ni bi and I say on apply no go through process no and I say bia ye show professional ethics senia obo homodin wo ho che nkwala de adisuane impenifo mo ho district and community na wom no nipa ni jim omo jiwudi say ampa adwuma na ye na ho te obo brapa ye jawa ye good example say ebia nkwala ni etimi aka say ye role model me who say American nutrition factory
obia wo hwe no
wo hwe na namo esua na namo ni de oyeye wo community ni sisanya ma we nyina ka oni ahwe no wa fill the forms near the wabania NTC through the process ni ahwe sampa the mo kind ampa because one I was say a background check 2 I was say making sure say ampa we are licensed person ampa o kan GS and I say o your church for and I say educational sector ni then also make sure say nipa na ye ne o your application I dey na ba no but ejuma na o ye na say na most important ejuma na
all right on that no you be to ho your number of words you need to write in this and many it's your nice way you discriminate anti so when instruction now we see even the number of words system never cut when you were back at but we are shortlisted. It's a shortlisting, you make sure say teaching side, you have 15 teachers ebe apply. This is all the 7 million can apply. Ghana Yendrisa teacher for even 500,000. And do I be applying? And at least as I will charge for 5 years, it will be our system number unqualified yet. It's and we know for both public and private sector, and you're limited to public school. It will apply. Now you screening we are top 15 for the teaching category. Now you 5 for non-teaching. Near you 5 for teacher in leadership. The same missing car, and you the organizer may qualify as teacher in leadership and administration because me a teacher need I'm assign our office. Until almost year 5. Now ye we say college of education. College of education almost so now year 5. Now college of education a new category of na ye introduce.
This year
na dey aka first now among kan. And you share sa for in na ye kan bobo a nya 30 finalists. 30 finalists no no. Anna, you be organizing interview sessions. Now you have team aqua grounds at their blind side. Sure. At their blind side to look at near my omodia ban say you no crasher the market canning in
no better we be na bebre.
No. Enutina eto da bia adina nkasa no kra na ewumu ne say for you to apply no kra na yejuma because we want an outstanding teacher. It you need to read more on even the criteria. Know the right information to give. Anna, and yes, yes, read more until know the BB back. I say, at the Kodia, the ban no because at the end of the day, a backgrounds about Beshe. It's the evidence you are doing who here.
We know money, other teacher unions, no say no so well,
who's a man I know. Won't mean ye education sector union be in free. Okay. Because sebi nipa ho adwuma na wo ye nipa den so odom ekuo baako anase mienu inti se okoye national teaching council ye Ghana teacher prize na wan fa education sector union say ye nat nagra cct tewu anase o maka ni bia anka ho adwuma na enye because o mo members ene be application inti kwan bia so no e wo se oni unions no e ka bom na mo ye ma adwuma no e ye fe. So you always need the unions involved in the process. Okay.
Enti we no sha se ba so da ben.
Nyame adomo a ebnade di enimi ya na ye sha se wo Takrade which is on the 3rd of October. And now what you pepepe.
Okay.
Wo Takrade. Okay. Akroma Plaza Hotel. Ye be ye the 2 days see wa ye symposium and exhibition. Nti no am for present papers. Na union mu kuma na mu school so a omo tumi ayeye nyoma omo ba beda na di na fofo ebi to ne ade iti no ye be ye no wo Akroma Plaza na on the 5th October no World Teachers Day na nkasa na ye be ye grand day na ye guest of honor here the president of the republic no and no be ba so wo Ghana Secondary Technical School Takrade GSTS ho na ye be ye the main program no by 9 a.m. Now you start and we will be live on Joy News. Oh, okay. Joy News be funny live. It's that will be the D-Day.
Do you have prizes now?
Sure. I only hear me yes, prizes now. The most outstanding teacher now. Your bema no a dime. A 3-bedroom apartment.
Wow. You see that nothing.
You say you name nipa odi.
Okay.
It's wo na be and say be a hana mpese me you need quantify na do sika yedebe. But it's worth 400,000 Ghana cedis. Wow. Which is 34 billion.
Why are they?
And first runner up near man 4x4 pickup. Second any teacher category no. And a second runner up no so man saloon car. Safwe nyina so no the most outstanding teacher ne obeko trip was Singapore. Oh. Enu echi no yes ambema no foreign scholarship. Baby opeso koto na edition aso bia eno so 2 years package. Na omo aka no the 2 ni nyina no they also qualify for scholarship in Ghana. Oh, okay. Na ya ba non-teaching so the most outstanding no ono so benya saloon car. O me di na chi mienu ni benya sika. But we also qualify for a scholarship. Non-teaching, the way we need to be Singapore. Okay. Yaba teacher in leadership and administration. Car, the way we need no me dear chino ebenya sika afi almost a scholarship ba dey Ghana
sorry leadership you know criteria na say category hono headmistress ni masters ni
omunyina qualify o ye leader in a school in a classroom o ye leader in office omunyina qualify
and am office we nyina
there be yen there yen organizer so we don't qualify but obi on Ministry of Education GES obi wo Nasia baby otumi qualify na last baby na ye dey na buy College of Education you know they will be winning no ye be man 4x4 pickup or also educational trip na foreign scholarship afi do me dia chi no eye sika brubru na ade bia ya seseni emre bia twam na ka limited but sisi idea
ampa ya bompa bedu next year no na different info asa be kan nya mishra mo pa anti emfa mo si ha ya da senti dani so say wusu ene o chiame safo ena yete wo mo nka na mitwa me ho si me ya banko mo bi we chiri me ba e beto so